good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! What's going on, everybody? Yes, that's right. I must show it off. I got my fitness stuff on. Yes. And I'm ready to roll. Yay! Yes. Ooh. I'm so happy. Yes, I have joined a fitness studio today and I am going to work out. I have been procrastinating for a while now, which is actually unusual for me. I used to be a real fitness freak. Used to be in there every single day. And now I don't do it so much like I used to. So I'm back. Had a little interruption. I don't know what it is. If you guys have kids, y'all know how that is. The moment you get on the phone or they hear you talking, here they come, you know? Yes, I am so excited. I know you guys are like, well, how could you be so excited about going to the fitness studio? It's because I'm getting back into the groove. I miss going to the fitness studio. And the cool thing, it's a ladies' fitness studio. Yes. I mean, nothing against, what do you call it? Not co-ed. What's the word? Nothing against going with guys to a fitness studio, but I don't know. I just like it. I feel comfortable. You don't feel watched all the time. So I kind of like it, it's just, you can be yourself, you can let it all hang out, whatever, if you got something to hang out, you know how it is. So, anywho, yes, I am going to the fitness studio, so I will be giving you all a little tour. I don't want to be too obvious. Maybe I offend some women there. I don't know, but it's so cute because it's all in pink and it's designed really feminine, so I like that. And you have a nice, beautiful view to the park. It's in a really nice location, so I'm excited about that, and I'm glad that I did it. So I am, as usual, I'm gonna do just like a little bit of makeup, just a little bit, not too much, because it's gonna all sweat off anyway. So yes, get excited. I'm taking my world back. Fitness. And the other day, guys, I played tennis. Now, I hadn't played tennis since the summer. And I know you guys are probably like, that's not a long time. But in the tennis world, that is a long time. I mean, if you want to stay active and keep up your shape and stuff, you have to at least play, I would say two times a week, at least, at the most. Otherwise, you're just going to be out of breath, like running back and forth. I was playing with my teacher. He's such a sweet guy, French guy. Wait a second. Okay, I'm back. Another interruption. So anywho, so I was playing, I was playing with my tennis teacher, French guy, really sweet guy, really nice. Man, can you believe it? This guy is 70 something and he kicks my butt every single time. I mean, and I'm way younger than him. I mean, dog, it's like, I do not catch his balls. I mean, he is so active. So, excuse me. So he's like a real inspiration for me, because I'm thinking, man, if he can do it and he's 70, then there's no excuse. My butt should be in shape. I mean, I was so out of shape, guys. It wasn't even funny. Everywhere was like, I had to take a few times a break. So, so even more the reason why I'm getting back into the fitness studio and getting my cardio back up, because that's ridiculous, Can't have no 70-year-old man beat me at tennis. What's that all about? So, I'm so excited. Yes. It's Sunday, it's quiet. It's the best day to start up again. So yes, fitness world, here I come. Okay, so what am I going to put on? So I'm just going to do like the eyebrows, and I'm going to put a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot, and that's it. Like a little bit of concealer here, a little bit over here, some eyeshadow. You know, can't be going out of the house looking crazy. Yes, ladies, you should always put on your best, regardless of what you do. Put on your best. Don't walk out the house looking crazy. Don't walk out the house looking crazy if it's not necessary. Do what you have to do. Take care of yourself, ladies, because you're beautiful. You're beautiful inside. So, anyhow. So stick around. I'm going to do my makeup. It's going to be a short video. And, yeah, later I'm going to give you all a tour of the fitness studio. Okay, so don't go nowhere. Oh, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. where's my Fuerteventura weather? Oh my gosh, guys, check this out. Crappy weather. Okay, but I see it this way. It's a great way or a great day to do some fitness. So, anywho, see you inside the gym.